Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here again today at the terrain park, and we've got a bunch more snow to work with today. So right now I got a couple of things in the works. You can see the rail is missing, so we'll get to that in a bit. But basically today I'm just gonna work on smoothing things out. This is all hard like ice now. All I have to do is smooth the landings and the jumps. Some people like to make snowmen. I like to make terrain parks. All right, so right now I'm just having this issue of the wood being old and dry, getting rehydrated by the snow, and then swelling so the screws don't hold anymore. So finally, we're upgraded to 3 different features of the terrain park. A small roller to the left, a rail in the center, and a small 1-foot gap on the right. All right, let's climb up there and try it out. All right, that just about wraps it up. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. Your support is much appreciated. And if you can, give me a like, maybe subscribe if you're interested. And I'll see you again on the next one.